Hello, this is the Dynamic Transmission Line Monitoring System for MakeOHI 2026.
Alrighty, so going as to why this matters, as current increases in a conductor, heat increases, and as heat increases, it can be seen that the wire begins to sag a bit, and this could pose potential safety risks to any technicians working on it, so we wanted to be able to detect that sag and alert anybody about potential dangerous conditions.
Alright, so our objective was to monitor conductor temperature, measure sag in real time, simulate cooling from wind, and demonstrate dynamic line rating.
Go. This is the diagram of our circuit. So first we have the voltage regulator, which pulls power from the outlet and brings it to the rest of our circuit. Then we have the distance sensor, which measures the sag between the wire and the sensor. And then we have the LCD display, which shows the real-time temperature and any problems that we have with the entire circuit. Then we have the green stable LED, which shows that the system is below 25 Celsius. We have the nichrome wire, which simulates the real-world wire that we're trying to compare it to. And then we have the wire temperature sensor, which measures the temperature of the wire at all times. And we have the washer center weight, which makes it easier for the sensor to track the sag. And then we have the red LED warning, which shows that the circuit's unstable because it's above 25 Celsius. And then finally, we have the fan wind simulator, which simulates the fan, the wind that can come in on the circuit. And then we have the Arduino ESP32 microcontroller, which controls everything in it because all the wires are connected to there. And we have the ambient temperature sensor, which shows the ambient temperature in the room.
Moving on to our first test, we had 4 test cases. This is our baseline. And so the conditions were low current passing through the wire and the fan was not on. And so looking at this, the system's fairly stable with the temperature of the wire and the ambient air temperature still being like the same all across. And looking at the sag as well, although there is some noise, you can see that it's relatively flat.
Alright, so then our second test was a heating